Life is lonely. Silence here sometimes knocking. Who you call when you're lonely? Tell me who got your back all time. Nobody know what I go through. Nobody know what I've been through. You only see these 5 pictures. God save me. Oluwa heal me. To be frank, it's Tony Frank.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I think they should use the VI.
Kept me here, you would have stayed here forever. I promise to keep trying to be the best version of myself, the kind of person that will make you proud. I will carry your lessons, your laughter, your kindness, and your love with me
They blocked me.
for the rest of my life.
No block me.
Thank you for being my brother. Thank you for believing in me, and thank you for loving me. Your mama loves you so much, and I will love you until my very last breath. Rest your mama. Your baby sister.
Please, can we let the family, can we now resume our seats? Thank you very much. Please, can we have our seats?
Sorry.
His work will continue to inspire future generations of filmmakers, actors, and young Africans who dare to dream boldly. Today we
as you are living here, because you came to celebrate with Alexx Ekubo's family, I pray for you because you came to appreciate more and to commiserate with them. You left your busy schedules to be here. May the Lord honor you. May the Lord honor you. May the Lord help you. You will never be stranded. You will never look for men. In the name of Jesus, whatever